Hello, it's me, Dawn. Welcome to your wedding dance tutorial. Hello! Welcome to your wedding dance videos. And I got a bunch of dance moves that come together in a dance combination that can be repeated many times in this song. So the combination of moves and grooves that I am going to teach you today. And there's a turn, there's a promenade, there's waltz, box step. We do that twice. 2 steps are gonna go to your song. Spin in, we spin out, we spin out, we spin in, we turn and we dip. Let's start from the entrance. It's kind of quick. And let us know how you like it.